How to fix your sleep. 6 proven tips for better rest. Hey there, and welcome back to Basic Health Journey. Are you struggling to fall asleep or waking up tired no matter how many hours you get? You're not alone. Sleep quality is just as important as sleep duration, and in today's video, we're diving into 6 science-backed tips to help you sleep better, wake up refreshed, and feel more energized throughout the day. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need for the best sleep of your life. Let's get started! Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Your body has an internal clock known as the circadian rhythm, which controls when you feel awake and when you feel tired. Irregular sleep patterns can disrupt this rhythm, making it harder to fall asleep and wake up naturally. How to fix it? Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Over time, your body will adjust, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed. Try setting a bedtime alarm to remind you when it's time to wind down, and establish a relaxing evening routine to signal to your body that sleep is approaching. Avoid blue light before bed. Screens emit blue light, which tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime and suppresses melatonin production, the hormone that helps you sleep. Research has shown that exposure to blue light before bed can reduce melatonin levels by up to 50%, delaying sleep onset and reducing sleep quality. How to fix it? Reduce screen time at least an hour before bed. Use blue light filters on your phone, wear blue light blocking glasses, or switch to reading a book instead of scrolling through social media before sleeping. If you must use your phone, enable the night mode feature to minimize blue light exposure. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Your body needs signals that it's time to wind down. A relaxing nighttime routine can help cue your brain for sleep. Activities that reduce mental and physical tension can make it easier to transition into deep sleep faster and improve overall rest quality. How to fix it? Try activities like meditation, deep breathing, light stretching, or listening to calming music before bed. A warm bath or shower can also help lower your body temperature, signaling your body that it's time to rest. Additionally, avoiding stimulating activities like intense discussions, work-related tasks, or watching suspenseful TV shows can help your mind relax more easily. Your body needs signals that it's time to wind down. Optimize your sleep environment. Your bedroom setup plays a major role in how well you sleep. Noise, temperature, and light levels can all impact sleep quality. A cluttered bedroom can also increase stress levels and make it harder to relax at night. How to fix it? Keep your room cool, around 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius, dark and quiet. Invest in blackout curtains, use a white noise machine if necessary, and make sure your mattress and pillows provide proper support. Keeping your bedroom clean and organized can also help create a calming atmosphere that promotes restful sleep. Your bedroom setup plays a major role in how well you sleep. Limit caffeine and heavy meals. Before bed. Caffeine is a stimulant that can stay in your system for up to 6 hours, keeping you wired and making it harder to fall asleep. Similarly, eating heavy meals close to bedtime can cause discomfort and disrupt your rest. How to fix it? Avoid caffeine at least 6 hours before bedtime and limit heavy meals within 2 to 3 hours of sleep. Instead, opt for light snacks like nuts, bananas, or herbal tea to promote relaxation. Get natural sunlight during the day. Exposure to natural light during the day helps regulate your circadian rhythm, boosting alertness in the morning and improving sleep quality at night. Sunlight exposure also increases serotonin production, which is linked to better mood and relaxation in the evening. How to fix it? Spend at least 30 minutes outside in natural sunlight, especially in the morning. If that's not possible, consider using a daylight lamp to help regulate your internal clock. Additionally, try to keep your workspace near a window to receive more natural light throughout the day. And there you have it, 6 proven ways to fix your sleep and wake up feeling more refreshed. Sleep is essential for overall health, so making these small changes can have a huge impact on your energy and well-being. Remember, small changes lead to big results. Let's keep building healthy habits together. Stay energized, my friends! Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our health tips.